Welcome to our new listing on Jackson Street in Yelm. This house has an amazing floor plan, and for those hot summer days that are coming up, has a full house AC unit. Now, this house is a 4-bed, 3-bathroom, 2,470 square foot house that was built in 2019. And we are so close to a bunch of really great amenities, but we're gonna touch on that at the end. For now, why don't you take a look at the immediate neighborhood, then we'll go check out the house. I'll see you in a few. Okay, to kick off our tour, we're going to start with bedroom number 1 on the main floor. And here's the full main bathroom. And we'll step into bedroom number 2 here. Both of these bedrooms have great closets and could also easily double as offices, playrooms, or even hobby rooms. This door just to our left goes out to the garage, but we'll see that a little bit later. I love the overwatch position in houses like this. Super perfect for home security. I wanted to interject in our tour real quick to highlight a couple of really cool things in the kitchen. Now, first of all, I love to cook. I'm a chef, and look at these granite countertops. These are so great. In addition to the stainless steel appliances, but what I really want you to pay attention to is the open floor plan. This is something that I just absolutely love. Whether you're entertaining guests or you're trying to keep an eye on the kids, the fact that this floor plan is just so gloriously open with the high ceilings is just something that really appealed to me in the house, and I think you're gonna like it too. Let's keep checking out the house. I love how functional this living room is. Obviously, you can see it's currently set up with a little mini office, and I bet the cold days here are cozy with that fireplace kicking out heat. I also really love these big windows, just letting in all that natural light. On our way to the primary bedroom, we'll scope out the laundry room, and the washer and dryer do stay with the house along with all the other appliances. This primary bedroom is super large with a great ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. This feels very functional and very comfortable.
Let's go check out the upstairs, shall we? Up here, we have a full bedroom, a bathroom, and a giant bonus room, plus plenty of storage everywhere you look. I could see this bonus room being a theater, a photography studio, or even a hobby room. But what would you use this space for? Let's go check out the backyard. Here, we're fully fenced with a great covered patio. Notice the siding is hardy plank. This is such a great long-lasting product. As you can also see, it's not a bad yard for you green thumbs out there. We have lots of space for growing flowers, plants, and even food. Now for the garage. We've got a full 2-car here with an extra storage nook under the stairs. And just look at all that shelving.
All right, one thing I want to note in the garage that I am just such a huge fan of is this tankless hot water heater. Now, I don't know if you've ever had a tankless hot water heater before, but they are so ridiculously energy efficient, and it's hot water forever. Doesn't necessarily mean instant hot water, but the hot water never runs out. And the maintenance on these is way easier. They last a lot longer than tank hot water heaters. This is a feature you should be looking for in your next house. Let's continue. Okay, before we end this tour, I want to show you something that's really cool that's made just for the kids. And what's even better, it's just literally one house down. Let's go take a peek. Here we are, standing in one of the smaller parks that dots the Tahoma Terra community. What's even better is not even 2 blocks down the street here is their main park, and it features a large zip line, huge grass areas, and multiple different playgrounds. But that isn't all that's in this area. We're just within a quick couple of minute drive distance from a kid's splash pad, from a full-size dog park, an 18-hole golf course, several different restaurants, several medical buildings, and of course, we're only 10 to 15 minutes away from Joint Base Lewis McChord, which is great as well. We also have a lot of community events that are geared around holidays. So they have events for Easter and 4th of July and big Halloween parties. So this is definitely a community and a house that you're gonna wanna be checking out. Thank you for joining us on today's tour. We hope you enjoyed it. And on behalf of myself and Operation Red Dot, I would like to wish you happy house hunting. We'll see you on the next one.